Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, I want to show you the oregano. Where did it come from? Can you guess? I got my guess. It's Cuban. Cuban oregano, get it? So to me it was Cuban. And they grow very, very easily. Very easy. You can't get rid of them. They are succulent herbs. As you can see the way they are. They feel like, they're very thick. But all you have to do is, let me show you. Let me not miss another plant. Let me show you how easy it is. It breaks easy. The plant also, I just broke one right here. By mistake, I was touching it and it just broke. But you throw this anywhere and it'll grow back. I probably put it in there. Maybe it'll get so big my dog doesn't come inside my balcony. Okay, so it's a very, how you call it? Wherever you put it, you might forget to give it water or whatever. It'll still grow. I got this one right here that at times I forget to water. It was like a week, I think. It was without getting water, because she don't show no signs. She just at the end kind of dies, and that's it. They're very hard. So I want to make what this is and the nutrient part of it. Okay, they're very, 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 very high in vitamin C and vitamin A. Its essential fatty is omega-6. Yep. And it's also known, it has a component that is also good how you call it? It's an anti-deflammatory. Right, anti-deflammatory. So that's cool. And let me see what else. Are you thinking where it's coming from? Because I'm going to say it soon. Okay. Okay, should I tell you? I was moving the page to see if there was any more. But it's the answer. Okay, it's not from Cuba. It's not. It's from, they think what they believe is it came from Abon. From the mountains, island Indonesia. It's Indonesia that it came from, the mountains of Indonesia. I guess they brought them down, started tasting it, see what happens, and they survive, and they then figure, oh wow, we could use this in food, and they put it in food. And then they spread it to Africa, other places, and it got here into the islands, Caribbean islands, and we use it. But not a lot of people, I noticed, is here in Puerto Rico. You could find them anywhere, you could buy them anywhere, but I think I'm virtually the one who's fanatic with it. I don't see nobody planting, and here, this is how you call it, the countryside, and people plant, but they plant like how you call it, soursop, bananas, plantains. They always stay like in the same basic thing: bananas, plantains, mangoes, avocado. They don't go over the, how you call it, over more. So, but I'm talking about in my area. I don't know other areas, but but this is beautiful. So it didn't come from Cuban. I always thought it was all these years that I have these plants. I'm going to have a plant. I'm going to show you, if I could find the video, I'm going to put it down in my link. So you could see how big and how full that gets. If I throw this in the dirt, this starts, let me see if I find one. Wait. Oh no, I don't see none. They start growing roots. Oh, here goes one. Here goes. Here goes right there. Let me see if I can put my hand so you can see it. Ah, my hand's almost the same color. Okay, so there goes. These are roots. wherever this one falls, it will just grow another plant. Now they say they have seeds. I will do a video if there is such thing as seeds in this. I never ever seen a seed on it. Never. All I know is that they grow big. They throw these how you call it, the roots. They fall there and then they grow right there again, and that's how they propagate themselves. You know. Oh, even this one has one. I think I broke another one. You see right there, those are seeds. Not seeds, roots. And that's how they propagate. They just stretch and propagate. And they do it at a young age, because this one has also. Let me see if I can see right there. That's how they grow. I'm going to be honest, I never seen these plants grow seeds. Never. And they have grown pretty tall, you know, and they never have given seeds. But I'm going to find out if they do give seeds or they don't. And then I'll let you know what happens, because I don't know. I really never seen these plants like that. But that's how they propagate, the way with the roots. They grow roots, they throw themselves on the floor, then they grow from there, and it spreads. If I find the video, I'm going to show it to you, because I want you to see how big how that could take over. Totally take over. That's why I have it here, because that side over there, I want to use it just to grow the flowers, the purple flowers, and grow, how you call it, the cilantros, and also grow the, how you call it, the plantain. It has a baby. It is not dead. I thought it was dead, but it's not. I checked it out yesterday. So that's all for now. God bless you all. Till next time. Bye-bye.